Hello everyone. Topic of this lecture is agriculture scope. Importance of agriculture and agriculture resources. Heading on to importance of agriculture. Agriculture plays a chiefly role in economy as well as it is considered to be the backbone of economic system for developing countries. For decades, agriculture has been related with the production of vital food crop. The input of agriculture towards GDP is about 25%, which is highest contribution any other sector. Let's move to the factors why agriculture is important. Source of livelihood. Most people's main source of livelihood is farming. About 70% of people rely directly on agriculture as a livelihood. Contribution to national revenue. Agriculture is the main source of national income for most developing countries. Supply of food as well as fodder. The agricultural sector provides fodder for domestic animals. The cow provides people with the milk, which is a form of protective food. Significance to the international trade. Agricultural products like sugar, tea, rice, spices, tobacco, coffee, etc. contribute the major items of export of countries that rely on agriculture. Source of raw material. The main source of raw materials to major industries such as cotton and jute fabric, sugar, tobacco, edible as well as non-edible oils is agriculture. Significance in transport. The bulk of agricultural products are transported by railways and roadways from the farms to factories. Agriculture resources available in India. Basic agriculture of basic resources of agriculture. Soil. Optimum land utilization is important if agriculture is to be productive. India has a wide variety of soils. Soils should be tested to check their physical characteristics and nutrients. India, situated in the monsoon belt of Southeast Asia, is even now dependent to a large extent on rains for its agriculture. Rainfall is unevenly distributed, and in some years the monsoon fails, resulting in drought. The basic resources for agriculture are sunlight, soil, and water, besides the seeds and animal breeds and human endure. Seeds. There was a time when we could get certain vegetable in certain seasons only. Not now. These days you get cabbages and cauliflowers practically the whole year through. Agrotechniques. The nodes plain in a box that appear below each slide. Tap it to add nodes. Land being limited, it becomes necessary to grow 2 or more crops a year on the same piece of land to provide enough to meet our needs. Another important input in the technique, agricultural production is adversely affected if any of these factors is limited or distributed. Thank you.